pretty to me, makeup ain't make it. Your face so pretty to me, makeup can make it. But I think that I'm done tripping, I'm tripping. I've been sipping, that's how I control this feeling you keep giving, and I keep on hitting you know.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a very easy everyday no makeup look, no foundation using makeup look. I'm not sure yet what I'm calling it, but this is super simple. It's really easy to do. I do this every single morning before I go to school. Back in the day, I didn't really care to put on makeup every day to go to school because it was just too much work and I just didn't want to do a lot of work to go to school. I wanted that extra 5 minutes, you know what I mean? I know. We feel each other, right? So now if you want to know what I do and what products I use, make sure that you keep on watching. So the first thing I take is this Neutrogena oil-free moisturizer with sunscreen. It has SPF 15 in it and I use this as a moisturizer. So one thing that is an absolute must for me is moisturized lips. Now that it is getting a lot colder outside, my lips are starting to get a little chapped and they just feel really dry and I cannot stand that feeling. So I need some Vaseline to make sure that my lips are moisturized. So now to fill in my brows, I'm going to take the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil, and this is in the number 5, and I'm just going to fill in my brows and kind of shape them a little bit. So now to clean up my eyebrows, I'm actually going to use this foundation right here. This is the Healthy Elixir from Covergirl, and this is in the shade Golden Tan. Now before you think, Naomi, this is supposed to be a no foundation makeup routine, I just like to use a foundation as a concealer. This way I don't use a product that's too thick and it's just really lightweight, and that's just what I prefer when it comes to like this everyday look. So now what I do to make this process go a little bit faster is take the exact same foundation and I'm going to use that to highlight under my eyes, a tiny little bit on my forehead. Right now I'm breaking out on my forehead, so I would prefer not to put it on my forehead because I am breaking out. When it comes to breakouts and stuff, because now that I'm back in Holland, I get them really regularly. It's just like what's in the air or something. So I would really avoid putting them on breakouts. But for the sake of this video, I am going to put it on my forehead so it looks a lot better because these breakouts are just not cute. And then I'm taking my beauty blender and I'm going to blend out under my eyes and also where I cleaned up my eyebrows. So now obviously we have to set our under eyes. What I would usually do is just take a face powder and just apply it all over my face and not really set under my eyes with a loose powder, just because it's a lot faster to do. But at the moment I don't have a compact powder to use all over my face. So for that I am going to use the Huda Beauty Easy Bake Loose Baking and Setting Powder in Kunafa. So now to set my eyebrows, I'm going to take the Ico Brow Gel, and this is, oh, it doesn't have a color, it's just a brow gel. For my mascara today, I'm using the Benefit They're Real Mascara. You can also choose not to apply mascara at all. I have those days sometimes, but sometimes I just really want my lashes to look all big, as if I did apply some like false lashes or something. So, you know, it all depends on my mood for the day. So I do like to still bronze up the face, even though I didn't like contour my face or anything. So for that, I'm taking the Chocolate Desire Compact Bronzer, and this is actually one of my favorite ones. I got this at Primark. So now for blush and for highlight, I'm going to use the Huda Beauty 3D Highlighter Palette, and this is in Bronze Sand Edition. For the blush, I'm going to take Bora Bora, and for the highlight, I'm taking Barbados. And then this is the finished look. So as you guys can see, this is super easy. I'm not using a bunch of different products. It's just really easy to do this. I do this in about 10 minutes, maybe even less. Depends how fast I work, and it also depends on if I'm watching a show or not. Because if I'm watching a show, I'm usually distracted and I'm taking all my time blending out, which is probably not even necessary when I do it. I don't think so. If you guys love to do very natural looks, very natural everyday, I don't want to do too much but it still looks like I did something makeup looks, then make sure that you try this routine out, because I think it would be really helpful for you. But yeah, I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure that you subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and click the bell down below to get notified every time I upload a brand new video. I upload upload brand new videos on Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and on Sunday. So make sure that you click the bell. That way you can get notified every time I upload a brand new video. Thanks for watching, and hopefully I will see you guys in my next one. Mwah. Bye.
Crashing, hit a wall.